I think the first things what entrepreneur need to do it's we need to equip your mindset of actually how do we want to track data. In other words, actually, it's how do you equip yourself with a data mindset. When I first started the business, actually, there's a lot of things that I did not track because I was so busy fixing the business and it doesn't go anywhere. We just want to survive, and I start to ignore all this data. I just run everything based on feelings. As long as I see there's money coming, I think it's the business is doing okay. But along the way, when I start to read book, I start to attend courses and start to manage the business better, and then I realize this is a mistake because feeling is never going to help the business. And you see, when doctors come and diagnose you, when you are sick or you have certain pain in your body parts, and the first thing usually doctor what they do is they will actually ask you to do some tests, blood tests, or they will ask you a few questions to make sure uh, which part is wrong, what's your blood pressure, and all these things, right? So all these things actually is data. So the only things you see, the only thing the doctor want to cure you to I mean to give you some medicine is based on data as well. So if you use the doctor mindset to run the business, we need to know what is the data that we need in our business in order to know what to fix. For example, data such as your cost per acquisitions, your cost per sales, your cost per leads in terms of marketing. When it comes to productions, your productive well, your production rates, okay, your daily output, and your staff management, for example, is like the KPI, those things. All these things require details data to track in order for you to make a good decisions. Only with the data mindset, then only you will know why you need to do such details work in order to know what to fix. At the end, we want to equip ourselves with the data mindset so that we will do the work. We will come up with Excel sheets to track whatever the key drivers on the business. Then from the key drivers, from the numbers, the data that we have, then it's easy for us to know what to fix, what's the next decisions, so we can make a correct decisions. So I think that's the first mindset that we should equip ourselves in order to run a better business, in order to grow the business.